Hey, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? So, what we do, sell, hold, or buy. What we need to do, my brothers, to get a profit. Definitely, it's a very hard decision, my brother. And the last days of month, every coin, my brother, will moving in upward. So the price will be increasing now very fastly. But this is our responsibility, my brothers, to we will take now because you subscribe our YouTube channel. But please, if you are new on my channel, so just click the subscribe button. Without any my friends doubt, absolutely, I will give you guarantee, my brother, to I will make you millionaire now if you just only subscribe this channel. Click the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's get started brand new, my brother. In this video I will discuss something more information about, my brother, this coin. So you need to do this and please watch this video completely. The last 7 days chart is on the screen, my brother. Just focus, my brother, on the chart. First of all, you can see here the first line touch the highest point, the second line touch the lowest point, and they will moving in this circulation. You can see here. That's clear, my brothers. To upcoming time, the very huge jump now is coming soon. So if you know, today will give you a very good profit in upcoming time. So what are you doing? Selling, holding, or buying? 100%, my friend, it's clear, my brothers. You will be get a holding, and if you have any plan to buy more, so I think you will be going to buy more now. And that's clear, my brother. You can see here the upcoming times they will give you a profit. So please don't take any risk, my brother. Don't sell it, hold it, and wait for a good time. I hope, my brother, in upcoming time they will give you a profit. And when they will fails down, the arrows is moving and fails down, the arrows is moving in downward direction, then sell it. Absolutely, my brothers, you will be get a very good profits now. And this time you can see here the price is gonna be very good now. Hedera Hashgraph 0.209677 USD dollar, but the latest price, the current price is 0.20 USD dollar. And this time you can see, my brother, the chain occurred 20.61%. It's a very good and highest chain now, my brother. Thanks for watching, holder. In upcoming time there is 100% chance, my brothers, so they will give you a profit. Please hold it, don't sell it. And if you have any plan to invest more, so I think this will be also very good now. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time. Please like video and subscribe channel.